Hey, are you suffering from too many emails? Do your inbox messy with customers' emails? I am going to teach you how to organize emails by creating a label and snodging an email to remind you after a certain time so that you don't miss any important message or schedule. Let's look at how we can organize the inbox professionally. So here you can see an interface of a email inbox. So we are going to teach how to level up a message from our inbox and so that we can organize and we can see our inbox very good. So here from the levels you can find from your inbox as well, where you can simply create a label from here. So for an example, we are creating a label. Say for example, it will be David. Then we can just simply create a label from here. Then we can create more Williams, Williams, Williams. Simply we can create here. We can create James, James here. So here we have been created three labels here. So if we want, we can create more labels under this label. So for example, uh, in this the David can have different types of documents. If the David of your clients or customers, then David can have different types of documents. So say for example, if David have contracts, something like that, then you can just name it here, text here, right here, and simply select from the main label from here. So we're creating a label under the David. Simply we can create here. So a level is under David. So David can have also different types of document. Say for example, doc sign, something like that. Something like the documents can have David. So we can just simply click create, select from here the David. So we have been created two labels under David. So say for example, if this message is the David contract, then we can simply just drag and drop here. And the message will move from inbox to our label. And you will see if the inbox message is unread, then you will see the message is also unread in the label section as well. So if you want that you don't you do you would you do not like you don't like to drag a message from inbox to the label, then you can also select a message from here and simply just label it from here as well. I mean David contracts, so you should select this one so that it directly go to the label which is the you're expected. So if the difference between the drag and selection is that if you drag a message from here to the label, then it will move from here to the label and it won't stay here. But if you select a message, if you do a message, if you level up message by selecting here, then it will stay in your inbox. So it is better if you drag a message from here to the label, because your own inbox will be empty very soon. So here we can also change the label color, because sometimes we need the to make color different kinds of customers and clients to remember that very easily. So that is why you can also change the label color. Say for example, here you can simply click here and here's a multiple color to choose. So that has been changed. So you can also change every single label very easily. So here I'm going to teach you another things which is very important for us. So for example, if you have any customers meeting or if you have an important message which you will need after 1 or 2 hours, then you can simply note a message from by selecting here, and you can snoozing from here. So for example, you need the message after 2 hours, then you can simply select the time or simply selecting a date from here and save it. Then this message will disappear from our inbox, and the message will be appeared in our inbox. Well, it will be 10 p.m. today. So when you are selecting the time, exact that time, the message will appear in our inbox. If this video is helpful for you, then I would request you to subscribe my channel and give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to press the bell icon so that never missed an update. See you in the next video.